Hi guys. So today we'll be discussing on how we need to prepare for Christ University law interview. Important components of tips I'll be sharing out today. And along with it, what I want to tell is that see in round one of Christ and round two of the Christ, and what are the important kind of questions which they had asked. All that in a small 5 to 6 pointers, I'll be just explaining it to you. So kindly make sure that you listen very carefully and write down these notes. See guys, now what and all I'm speaking, I'm just not speaking randomly. I'm just speaking based on my experience because me being an interview consultant, me being an interview specialist over the years, and if you guys have already followed my channel, YouTube channel of Pavan SS, I've been posted many videos of Christ University. Now, on that basis, on what have been taken up review from the students, all that have been condensed into five important pointers, I'll be discussing for you guys in a very simplified manner. So, starting with the five important tips, if you're a law student, these are the five important areas which you need to compulsory study, and there's no kind of what do you call withdrawal for you to leave off any of these important areas. Now, a few minutes before, I was talking to one of my students. His name is Vinayak. I used to take these sessions and all interview sessions with him, and he called me. Like he was so happy that I gave up all this kind of tips, suggestions, and all. He just called me and said that Pavan, thank you so much. And then because most of these questions was being coming up from these five important areas. Now coming back. First important area is guys, please do learn important section numbers. Whether you're been preparing for LLM or whether are you preparing for LLBs. If you are preparing for UG course, which is for 5 years, it could be for BA or BBA LLB. For your 5 year course, section numbers, at least important section numbers or articles, please do listen it. I can even write as articles. Articles. So for these articles, it could be about Article 14 of our Constitution, right to equality. Article 15 speaks about state cannot discriminate anyone on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex. That could be this one, Article 15, Article 16, Article 17, Article 19, freedom of speech and expression, Article 32, constitutional provisions, Article 21, freedom to practice, profess, propagate any religion. So you must know important article numbers. Why? Because now the many present issues which is happening around us, have been dealt with few amount of these article numbers. For example, in this hijab case, it was controversial between Article 14. It could be even with Article 19, Article 21. So there are different Article 21. So all these articles, there was actually a conflict. So you just need to know important article numbers. Now, along with it, guys, please do learn even the section numbers. That is very important, yeah. At least important section numbers. For example, it could be for rape or it could be for any kind of criminal offenses. At least some one or two section numbers if you're able to remember, that would be good. Now, second important thing is, guys, please to learn important case laws. Important case laws. Sometime they might ask you any kind of case law. So why do you want to take a risk? Or very important landmark judgments. That is called second and third point. In case if you're not finding case laws also koi baat nahi. At least go with important landmark judgments. For example, in Shabrimala case, what had happened? Now, for example, Ayodhya dispute case, what had happened? Now it could be about in hijab case, what had happened? So these kind of important questions you need to keep at least some kind of understanding. It should be there. Now, fourth important area is current affairs. Guys, current affairs is literally the king. Now, current affairs, if you prepare very well, you don't need to worry on these other areas. Why? Because everything will be covered over there. That's the reason. Learn Hindu newspaper as must, yeah. Even though I tell many times for my students, still they make the mistake. Current affairs, prepare karo properly. Current affairs, mein, I can give you one more tip. Okay, learn properly your Hindu newspaper mein editorial part. If you learn properly, that would be great. All right. Now, fifth important component is ministers. Guys, Christ has little more favoring of asking in terms of ministers ka naam. So, ministers ka bare mein thoda focus karo. And in ministers itself, what I want to tell is that, for example, who is the present health minister? Who is the vice president of India? Who is the president of India? Now, who is the governor of your particular state? Who is the law minister of India? Now, how many judges are there in Supreme Court? How many judges are there in High Court? So, some kind of questions you just need to prepare. And along with it, one bonus tip which I want to share with you, that is about, guys, please learn the legal terminologies or legal terms. Legal terms. So legal terms, it could be like it's simple components like what is void ab initio. So these kind of terms, if you're able to remember, that would be good. And void agreement, what is contract. So all these kind of basic terms, please to refer. And along with it, guys, I've made a 24 minutes, if I'm not wrong, 34 minutes long Christ ka video, especially interview video. Go watch that video. All right, please do go watch that video. You'll get some kind of clarity, some kind of questions. In that description, if you go, you'll find a PDF link. In that PDF, you'll find a list of lot of law questions. Now even law plus business questions are there. In my written notes it is there. Go even check out that one. I'll try to attach the link below in the description box. If not, go to YouTube and just type Pavan SS Christ University interview video, 24 minutes long video, which was recently I posted, I think 1 month back, something like that. It has been very, I think it has crossed more than 12K view time. So please do watch it. So guys, that's all for today, yaar. Relax, calm yourself. You'll do it, yeah. Just believe yourself. Okay. Wish you all the best. Good luck.